AI video editors are booming right now, and Descript has recently announced their new AI editing features. With Descript, you can easily edit all kinds of videos, you can use the AI to speed up your editing time, and you can easily collaborate on all of your projects. Descript was kind enough to sponsor this video, and today I'll be testing out their new AI features to see if it is any good. Now, if you want to follow along with this video, then click the link in the description below or scan the QR code that's on the screen right now, so you can download Descript for free and get started immediately. Once you've downloaded Descript, imported your footage, then the biggest introduction to AI video editing is called Underlord. This cute little robot that you see right here is very powerful and it can do a lot when it comes to editing your videos, your podcast and your short form content. The goal of this AI is to assist you in taking over all of these annoying little editing tasks, and it does this with all of these different tools that it has built into it. Now let me give you some examples. So first of all, we have this feature Edit for Clarity, and that is pretty much the main feature that I'll be using because I like it so much. So on the left hand side we see our transcript, and here you see like my intro to one of my videos. And the issue that I have is I tend to make a lot of mistakes and my editors get very annoyed by this. So what you can do here is you see the transcript and then you can ask Underlord to do the following things. You can remove filler words, you can remove retakes, and you can even like shorten the word gaps. So you see, for example, right here, I waited a little bit, and then with shorten the word gaps, I can remove this and it will be edited much quicker. But my favorite feature by far is Edit for Clarity. So what I now will do is it will remove filler words, digressions, bladder, all the obvious cuts. So let's just submit it. And now the AI starts to think on it, and boom, there it is. It's already done. So now you can see it has removed all the sections that are literally already done by me. So for example, here in the intro, I do the intro right there, but I redo it because my intro wasn't that good. So then we can take a look at it and we can just apply edits to script. And now let's see what it has made. AI image generators are the future when it comes to creating content with AI, but the best image generators like Midjourney can be quite expensive. So I did my research. So yeah, that is pretty good. Like, it has seen that I've made all of these mistakes over here. It has automatically removed them. It has even removed this sentence where I like repeated myself multiple times. Like I said, so I did, so I did, so I did, because I was literally stuck on that sentence. And then it continued to the part where I have not made mistakes, and it has continued it for the entire script. So that is basically the Edit for Clarity function. So in short, Edit for Clarity will help you to speed up your editing process by removing the filler words, by taking out the mistakes that you've already made, and also by just simply speeding up your process. So if you're taking a lot of time, like you're waiting, then we'll automatically remove that gap. Now the next feature has to do with audio. So if you are looking into a expensive mic like this, for example, then you no longer have to look to that because you can simply enhance your studio quality with AI. With this new feature, you just click on it and it will automatically start enhancing your audio. Now this clip is recorded by my studio mic, so let me get another clip for you to show you. So this is the clip that has bad audio, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so right now my eyes are focused on the camera, and now my eyes are... Now let me click on studio sound, and now it starts adding it to it, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, so right now my eyes are focused on the camera, and now my eyes are focused on the screen. Okay, so right now my eyes are focused on the camera, and now my eyes are focused on the screen. Okay, so that already sounded better. Of course, it is not perfect, but if you are talking clearly into your microphone, even if it's not that great of a microphone, then it will help a lot. Like, my camera is literally muffled away in the corner of my room. Now this next feature might be very useful for you if you're reading your scripts. So for example, I'm using a teleprompter right now, so I can look into the camera because I have a teleprompter. But if you don't have that, then you are forced to either do it out of your head or to read the text on your screen. But that might result in looking like this. So with Descript, you can go to Underlord, then you go to eye contact, and then this will automatically be added to your video. And now let me show you what it looks like before and after. So let me know in the comment, is this a feature that is useful for you as a creator? I'm not reading from my teleprompter. I'm reading from my PC screen to see if this works. I'm not reading from my teleprompter. I'm reading from my PC screen to see if this works. Next up, we have a feature that's very useful for those that want to change their background. It's called green screen. So what we do here is we go to green screen and then it will automatically be added on there. And then we can simply change this background like I'm in the forest right now. Another cool feature that I'd like to show you is adding in captions. So what we can do here is we go to captions, then we can see we have all of these different captions that we can choose from. So for example, if I choose this one, then it will add it on there based on the transcript. Now, if you'd like to go with another one, you can do so. They have so many different templates available that you can use. Now, the last feature that I want to share with you guys is very useful when it comes to publishing your video. So I have one of my videos imported right here. And what I can do is I can go to publish. Here I can draft the title. I can do show notes. That's particularly if you have like a podcast. Or I can make a YouTube description. So let me just do that right now. Then I can give it examples of previous descriptions that I've used, then we'll use that for reference. Or I can give it custom instructions. I'm just gonna leave it blank and now we're gonna hit submit. So here we have it. We have a title for the top of the description. Then we have what I talk about. So in this video, we're gonna discover 10 of the best AI tools. Honestly, this is very good. Like this is something I would have used myself. And then we even have the timestamps for our description. So you no longer have to go through this manually. You can just do this with Descript. Now, for those creators who don't have an idea yet what to create, Underlord has also this cool feature that's called Write. And within Write, you have a bunch of different options. You can let it help you brainstorm. You can let it help you make a script, or you can even make it an outline. So let me start with an outline because that's mostly what I'm using for my videos. So we have a starting point, and the starting point is some notes that I already have. And the notes will be about how to start a short form content agency. Now then we apply it to our audience. Now the audience will be entrepreneurs. And custom instructions, we can give it some custom instruction that will influence their response. So we can say, for example, write it from the I perspective. Now we do submit, and now Underlord will help us with a script for video. So this entire process goes really fast. This is all real time. I'm not speeding anything up. And honestly, the script doesn't even look that bad. So what you can do now is you can ask it a follow-up question. You can ask it to add a new composition, or you can replace the script. But let me just take a look at it right now. Honestly, this is pretty good. You can just go to Underlord to do this. You don't have to go through ChatGPT. You have everything into one place with Descript. If you want to get started with Descript, then click the link in the description down below where you can try it out for free, or scan the QR code that's on the screen right now. Also, click the video that's on the screen right now if you want to see 10 of the best AI tools.